Oh wow, it is dusty out here. But there's one reason I found out in the midst of 10 or 11 years I've been doing this. One thing people do really like about my Texas Star work, that I am able to completely, most of the time, repair or rebuild or build at times the Texas Star to its absolute original shape as it came in, using OEM parts. And Texas Star OEM parts have not been the easiest things to come by. Like, for example, these old meters right here. As soon as I get a slab of meters like this, they're usually gone within a month, because these things, people bust them. One real big thing about a lot of them is the lamp behind them will heat them up and will pop the top off and all that. There's certain parts in here you'll never find again, ever. We got the same food, by the way, like this white line 400. We got the same food in there. And I'm about to take me a break and go eat here. And face plates, even older face plates like this right here, Texas Star Turbo. It's got to be mounted. You know, a lot of these plates, a lot of these things have just been accumulated amongst the years. I got them when I could get them. Like these right here are all the same where the meter holds them in. I've even got some rare ones. But right now, at this specific moment, I'm trying to locate a Texas Star Killer B faceplate for a fella. And that's one thing too, I never usually ever sell these parts as is to someone. These are for me, so I can have enough parts to restore. Look at that, 225. I mean, that's a rare amp, man. You don't sell a lot of. Ooh, this guy's gonna be happy. Ooh, it's a used one. It's a used one, but it'll work. You can tell right there the variable. Some of these are used, some of them are new. Let me put this to the side. It's a used one. I may be able to find another one that's brand new. There's a 250, 350, 350. Let me take this 250 right here. That is the same color, and that is brand spanking new. We let him have a choice on what he wants to do. And we got brand new Mod V, brand new Texas Star boards that have never been installed. I'll use these boards right here sometimes on my brand new builds. I've got about 40 or 50 of those boards. I think this is my box. I usually put used faceplates. See, I keep these used faceplates for a reason. So I knew at some point in time, we're not going to be able to get these faceplates at all anymore. I got some frames right here, some heat sinks, stickers. I got every Texas Star sticker ever made. This is where I'm able to have my fan stickers when I do my power wire, my dual fan kits. I'm gonna keep this right here out for the moment until I talk to that fella. And I've got used boards. This is all Texas Star parts and all these. I need to get them organized. Get them put in bins. Excuse me, little guy. Excuse me. And then this is all my Texas Star components. See, I haven't took time to put all my Texas Star parts in bins like you see. I've got everything done in here. I just haven't had time to do it yet. And these bad boys right here, see, I want to keep Texas Star alive as absolutely as long as possible. And I've got some things I'm brokering behind the scenes at getting new face plates made, like new as in now. I got a call coming in. I hope it don't mess my video up. I need to go ahead and get off anyway. But anyway, bulbs. I don't think I've ever made a video showing all my parts that how I'm able to make Texas Stars look, you know, OEM status as it comes. That's a brand new switch, and these right here are never to be seen ever again, I don't think, or unless we can somehow find the manufacturer that made these. But I want to, I ain't saying I'm going to be able to, but I would love to be able to have a section on gatekeeperamps.com where people can come and buy every single Texas Star part to the point to where they can build their own Texas Star. Wouldn't that be neat? Now, the boards are no issue. We can get the boards remade simply. We've got all that data. But stuff like the lenses, the switches, stuff like that, there's a couple of parts here, especially the lids. So they've changed the lids recently. You know, I've got all the Texas Star capacitors. I pretty much, what you could say, got every single Texas Star part. Like, for example, these are the 330s that Texas Star uses. And as you can see, I've got them in here already matched, so that when I pull them out of the bag, they're matched and ready to go. Because you know, old Gatekeeper, he's OCD. He likes to match everything. Feedback circuits. But anyway, I thought I'd just make a video real quick. I'm not sitting here bloating or nothing, or showing off or nothing. I mean, this is not a big Texas Star supply by no means. I used to have 4 or 5 times more than I did. I just got very, very, very fortunate and was able to purchase a lot of these parts on about 3 or 4 different time frames. And the problem is, those the websites out there that do supply are slowly dwindling down with less and less and less parts to sell. So I would like to figure out a way to get a lot of these parts remade again. I mean, it's not that hard. You just got to find the right people, and you got to have the dinero, which Gatekeeper don't have a lot of dinero. A lot of times I have no dinero. But we're working on rising on up. Got myself behind, very behind, about 4 or 5 years ago, and I've been crawling out of the hole slowly. And I started seeing sunlight about a year ago, y'all. But I'm about to be able to climb out of that hole and see the grass and everything. That's what I can't wait to see, is the grass. So we got a few more builds to go, and I'll be able to see the grass. I bet a lot of people's like, man, we've been hearing about you getting called up, Gatekeeper, for years now. That's because I've been talking about it for years as I've been catching up. And we're going to have a goddamn party, son, when I do get caught. When I get caught up, man, I'm going to get out there, have a freaking party. I'm gonna do some nice stuff for all these people that stuck with me. I'm gonna figure out some way to just let loose, have some good, legal, clean fun. Because I don't do drugs, I don't drink alcohol, nothing like that. But just to do something fun and to do something for all these people that hung around me and stuck with me, all the customers that stuck with me. And even do something nice for all the haters out there. You know, just do something nice even for the haters. That's how I do, y'all. When somebody brings fire to the Gatekeeper, I bring water. When somebody brings hate to the Gatekeeper, I bring love. Why? Because it works, man. It reminds me of a little story, and I'm getting off here. About 5, 6 years ago, man, I was in line at a Wendy's. That's what it was, a Wendy's. And give y'all something else to look at other than that right now. Wendy's, okay? And dude was behind me, honking the horn like I wasn't going fast enough or something. I'm sitting there ordering food, and he just keeps laying into the horn. I can hear him hollering for profanity and stuff, you know. And he just kept on and kept on. I'm talking about he pushed me to my last limit. So all of a sudden I open my dang door. You know, I'm about 6'3", 6'3.5". I stepped foot out of that dang car, walked about halfway to my car to his, and then stuck my finger out like this right here, like that right there. And I said, "Sir, God bless you, and I hope you have a wonderful day, sir." And as soon as I said that guy's face was like a look of confusement. Like he thought I was getting out and I was about to cuss his butt out, you know. But instead, I just released that anger and I said, "God bless you, sir. I hope you have a wonderful day." And got back in my car, and I know I know good and well that joker, that messed him up, boy. He was thinking about that day, and he's like, you know, you planted a seed, man. When somebody brings fire, you drop a seed of water, put that fire out. Old gatekeeper out here around the northeast end of Georgia. Don't get me wrong. Every once in a while, somebody does need their head knocked around a little bit, don't they? 73, y'all. I'm good and gone. We're just having fun out here. Bye-bye. God bless.